This 2020 Ford Fusion is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ford is powered by Dury front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded i4 1.5 L91 engine, and has 74,740 miles. Drive home a 2020 Ford Fusion today. Style, comfort, and reliability await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.